Imagine a world where friction could almost cease to exist. Welcome to the of PTFE, or as it's commonly known, Teflon. Now, how does a digital blueprint turn into a tangible, high-precision part? Made engineers design detailed 3D CAD models for production. This model isn't just static image, it's the blueprint for production. Next, the magic of CNC machining takes center stage. Precision tools dance, carve, and sculpt, guided by computer programs. Every pass of the tool, every minor adjustment is controlled by computer software, ensuring that each cut is as precise as the previous one. What results from this blend of digital commands and physical manufacturing is a PTFE component that conforms to its intended design. This component embodies the advantages of PTFE: durability, low friction, and superior performance. In closing, PTFE's function in CNC machining showcases a perfect blend of advanced materials and state-of-the-art technology. From kitchen appliances to space exploration, PTFE continues to be a quiet but significant player in the advancement of technology.